Of course, Abu, my entry for any ashe for any day. Nan commodity any CSC. On say, and I may a story about Tottenham Hotspur, Radu Dragosin. I will see a kind of Magenwa. Say Tottenham Hotspur near Bresson Pesomofano. Na personal terms in your problem. Abu, Sisia baby and Tokana Kwako Jinani na I say Tottenham Hotspur is offering 23 million euros for Branton. Again, was so budget 30 million euros. But it's a big issue in this particular context. Now, Napoli are actually. Akwakuhu Branton agents. Akwakuhu Genwa say, Omo pese, Omo 20 million euros. No mo sade Ostigard. E kadi no de mo. So mbejia tumudia. Oma already says sadi no mo be na ni manimu ya no magisa play ande nako. Na Branton denka na kuma mudie. Tottenham Hotspur na bebo because na ni abrace opeso go the English Premier League. Postecoglou and Yabreso the Nibeshemua on also manage the right balance. But the problem still stands between Genoa, Tottenham Hotspur, and Napoli. Far fetchly. Episode room. Now all the Ostigard cut 20 million euros no beji Dragosin, and Manekosia kind of mano. Now, and on Napoli Nankasana, they are trying to deal with Piotr Zielinski. Piotr Zielinski deal now answer on the contract with Tottenham Napoli no. Abu Dhabi, obetimine any team at discuss contract details because the contract be usama. Na eno team so many abring so person mo fan no Inter Milan na Unity. Na Abrante na adwin sanko e season na nko for free a. On the Casamri na nko pesa nko ni Inter Milan na pre contract. Komo sign your madigu on ma bibia da di. E ma ni sick e ma ni dem say ono e be body ama Inter Milan during the summer. It is Zielinski there. E me say ne wama Napoli ya aya aware say on the contract extension pa there. Onye na adwin say ono mu di bi ba obesan because already omu fa bi mai. Omu di bi ba onye na adwin say obesan because he wants to move to Inter Milan. Now there is one particular trick by De Laurentiis. Or time one or tetewa no hu say on person obesan contract na no do akọ lunch ba ko mra no adwin asesa. Or the bia dry smith in Spain. I'm na extending the contract. So they are hopeful say obetima is hard any be but the ama supporters no susu gina bibi omu ni say anhwa do ni ntimi nya possible no. Samazic. They are signing Samazic from Udine. So if Samazic is coming in, it means that Piotr Zielinski when you're ready somebody extending the contract no. It also mujano kwa mani yede emaneko. Now Samazic issues they are quite funny kakra because you can say last season koko Inter Milan anisa odidi nkoma kudretri ana ombekache say obapa any Inter endili na Rafaela Pimenta mo na kwatina baby ko didi nkoma any Inter Milan for agree do but papa ne de on the one yantum ene ma deal no antimi an go through amen ni Samazic papa na ja tum se Napoli mom ana ne ba no enko na onko si akan enfa mom na neoma enko ye enfa mom runabout ne de watwa bi pa but I think said this time around he's going to be settled e wo Napoli na neoma etimi akoye e de amano na Jadon Sancho to Borussia Dortmund de tie nie on se Donny Malin akọ ana wasesa ne agency se o search for no yes e ho na Erik ten Hag mo ne nam ne sa neoma ni nyina na omo sana Borussia Dortmund eba befa Jadon Sancho it means he said Donny Malin ebe free Borussia Dortmund. Now between Manchester United Jadon Sancho and Borussia Dortmund no Man United per se Dortmund etria for loan fee and sana scanner mo betria in terms of the salary no munchemu 3 na Dortmund entria baako na Manchester United entria mu mienu. Now we try one particular direction for Manchester United. They are showing say almost supporting omo manager ahead of their player. But in terms of carbon, omo ni so maboka. But enyoma na better deal ni hu ni Manchester United try some offload Jadon Sancho no. Asase no Manchester United approach Dortmund momo ya we say anka omo de na mo loan na ka 30 million pounds obligation to buy and obligatory to buy. So we be season no. E also timi sign no 30 million pounds. Actually, no commodity any cost on Dortmund when he said 30 million pounds with the season now. What them come on for them 6 months. So Manchester United swat na say about bedroom will say 6 months no so call Dortmund. Na confirm na the value na be dey. Ebe pija. E your man kasa asset. They could bring him back dependent on the manager situation. Oh, okay. Because as it stands, nobody is safe at Manchester United. Serge Ratcliffe 25%. I feel na all share staff no. No ma didi nkomo no wate ase. And we be our operations our club nim. But already they've lined up Obia replacement to a club nim. They've lined up every single person or with the football side of Manchester United replacement. So in case they should take a decision now, say ebia asumesi ana obenten jahonom de kwa, then abu nipa asumesi no mo de ba behim. It Manchester United just Sancho kwa manako imminent abu ahwa by the close of enenkosi ochena kra no na loan deal no e bibia wie
awa we no moto ne say
70 plus 5 million pounds
ela loan no mo je say
loan no omo ni nyina no confirm brand loan fee and the salary ni nyina ahwa for 6 months no e be around 3.5 million euros
edimo metwa salary no metwa say
omo twa Sancho J 250,000 pounds a week abu and we if I say what is the tax in your money in free brudo asem na make you 250,000 no Manchester United or much 3. So approximately Manchester United might be paying around 180,000. Abu Kadie. Manchester United, don't be surprised. Kadie. Jedi Sancho the say kana na no na olisi. E commodity PM ni say Manchester United ayo Madrid say this January omo sign any player on permanent deal. Omo sign any player on permanent deal. A loan deals in Kwano Moye. Ineos, as one of my awards say, even if they are investing or approving more long-term crana, they are injecting a capital of $200 million as part of their assets. And no more would invest a bit, making room for FFP. No company, they are not ready to sign any player on permanent deal. Loan or money they decided, but they want to make Michael Olise their first signing in the summer. Into lay the foundations this particular January to make sure someone sabate media can. No, my fan in the call. Now, I know that Calvin Phillips, Manchester City for any brace on Peso Mujano Kwaimaniko. I grant any super playing time. Now, my who's a commodity be because a man for him say Bia or no Paris Saint-Germain, but Paris Saint-Germain is my Paris Saint-Germain is not interested in signing Calvin Phillips. But Juventus and Newcastle United, and many person Mofano, but not on a permanent deal. Both clubs are looking forward to somebody to make deal on a loan basis. Loan no crown a buono was so. Loan no crown on bay no crown. A buono was so motion and somebody to make deal with it. Sergio Aguilon goes back to Tottenham Hotspur.
That decision on Mintias. That quite be give me or Bopa.
Abu the decision is. And yes, a BBA who be a we are normal in a contract clause no money na atiase no be a breaky. Manchester United had Luke Shaw an injury situation.
Oh, okay.
Ana Malathia. So konche. Emuna na Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Susuko Prai. Because Aaron Wan-Bissaka or na Diego Dalot or Diego Dalot bebo as the left back. Then Aaron Wan-Bissaka bebo as the right back. But Aaron Wan-Bissaka injury is also become they needed something as soon as possible. It contract between Manchester United and Tottenham Hotspur regularly here say there is going to be a January break clause where Luke Shaw returning Wan-Bissaka beho Diego Dalot beho na Malathia so returning from India they could break up that particular kind of a deal no and no mind in terms of the break clause or buying when your opportunity to play some few games but Borussia Dortmund and ya brace some person almost signed in the call is between Ono any Ian Madsen no see a kind of match Chelsea say almost share Ono ni regular no be chusumu bako no almost sign players bienu on before Jadon Sancho then a left back then they will look forward to making sure say in the summer no on be to many some other deals then at Chelsea has some almost scout so mon share Antonio Silva say a kind of ma Benfica na Chelsea share brand and level once medical can say Chelsea any abrace more center back and na me explain it show and I me catch out say Todibo the and commodity bia uncle Drew baby bia gidi biasa and scout in the question Antonio Silva becomes part of that particular list. They know say it's going to be very difficult, so if they want him to in the summer they will have to start doing the deal by now and make sure so but don't be surprised say in the next 2 to 3 years so what is say Marcus Leonardo Obi Kwakoton 80 million pounds and 100 million pounds a man he's signing for Benfica.
Marcus Leonardo na report na linking it to Madrid power. Madrid for fan is Benfica for na. AS Roma
na likely say last season ko join AS Roma.
Oh okay.
Very very close last season. Very extremely close last summer. Ko join AS Roma. And AS Roma se san o makwan and e kofa Lukaku deal ne de ye den. at the bar. Now he joins Benfica, 13 goals in 2023. He talk about a player 30 plus 1 matches. That means 1 from the bench, 30 as a starter. Abu Obabe Pimo Benfica. Na Onona Babe Shim Gonzalo Ramos Munina Timi Kodie. So the new kid on the block Ombabe Teteno from South America in less than 2 or 3 seasons. Ombetime Huno Apaso Etimia Tony Skabebrebe. As na hwe ni muso ombetime nya strike bi di na Babe Shima Manabe bo money in their momo. But if they are looking for it for Ivan Toney, Brentford for catch almost said they should forget about it.
What they?
One, the price of money to Ivan Toney, so almost only £100 million. I don't come in for discussion in the first place. But the Etosum, you know, already they've lost in Buemo to injury. We so kwa AFCON.
That you no kwa mwa.
Bueno kwa mwa. Also already krano Onyeka. So ba Nigeria. They are losing a lot of key players for the AFCON. It is Omoka Ivan Toney so mo manakwa. Then it will be very, very difficult. It's a just Najijemu. Omu left. Omu right. Now komo hwesa Marcos Leonardo ikra no kombeti ma fa ho kakra na komo de afa. But as it stands, Abrante and company Benfica ne de within the next 24 hours, things will be sealed. Na oba kosi akan e de amomo. Real Madrid de Real Madrid is omo de player bi no ombeti ma sign and I say in terms of the center back. But Barcelona na omo ni abresa Alex Garcia osi akan de ma Girona kombeti ma fa no. But as it stands now, on said the contract details of Abrante na man for enye you know. No kure wo mu ne say the release clause ne na mabontin say 20 million euros ne kaka na da so na Girona for na keka na da but uko anaye digidi pupa na Abu Dhabi 12 million euros.
Yeah, they were from
12 million euros. That is what Laporte and Co will have to exploit and make sure so meeting fan manage number.
Your home teams in the more tactics on the Namasa season. I'm over players in Libya. No, Mamma, or my one ball of the Lacojisca, say, Carlo Babefani loan.
I can't know about
loan. No one
is tactics now on me with the boy now, which over the boy here 1 year. It no mushroom. It's Abu Barcelona here, the Musa and Comusabeti Macano, but Abrante and Ankasadi on yen na dream.
So the movies,
and it is too early to consider a move at this particular stage of the season. And me say, and then in Ankasana, just say be a AFCON in a bit me pushing.
Yes.
Because Arsenal for Peru, Galatasaray akon, Fenerbahce akon, but tell me so many na maintain NCP. So he looks forward so about AFCON now. No ma beti me akoi dia mano. Then he moves away from Arsenal.
Mate, but I'll say pa me ba fia, be ba ho. Na ye din komo fie. Migi